Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendesk on Chrome, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, type in the Zendesk URL. The URL typically follows the format your_subdomain.zendesk.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Zendesk page loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. You will now be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use the email associated with your Zendesk account. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you want to save your login details for future use, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Zendesk account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you can access all your Zendesk features. If prompted, you may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Complete the verification steps as requested. Now, you're ready to use Zendesk on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.